In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder in Docusign Rooms in Command. This is a straightforward process, and by the end of this session, you'll be able to manage your documents more efficiently by organizing them into folders. Let's get started. First off, you'll want to navigate to the Docusign website. This is the hub for all things related to electronic signatures and agreement management, so it's where our journey begins. Once you're on the website, you'll see the login button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on it. This step is essential as it gives you access to all the functionalities Docusign offers, including managing your documents and creating folders. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Docusign homepage. This area serves as your central dashboard, offering easy access to all your recent activities, notifications, and shortcuts to often used features. Once you're here, direct your attention to the navigation panel and locate the Agreements section. Clicking on Agreements will direct you to a list of all the agreements you've worked with in Docusign, providing a comprehensive view of your activity. In order to see more options within this section, click on Show More. This will expand the list of available options or actions you can take related to your agreements. Now from this expanded view, find and click on Folders. This is a critical step as this menu allows you to create and manage your document folders, a vital tool for keeping your work organized. Once you're in the Folders section, you'll want to create a new folder. This is achieved by clicking on the New Folder button. It's worth noting that naming your folders effectively can vastly improve your workflow. Consider using descriptive titles that clearly relate to the documents they'll contain. This will make locating files in the future simpler and more intuitive. And there you have it, a new folder ready for you to populate with documents. This straightforward process empowers you to keep your agreements organized, making it easier to track important documents and transactions. As you continue to use Docusign, you'll find that having a well-organized folder structure is invaluable. Thank you for joining me in this walkthrough on creating folders in Docusign Rooms using Command. I hope this has been helpful and that you feel more confident in managing your documents digitally. Remember, staying organized is key to efficiency and productivity, especially when dealing with multiple agreements and documents. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out through the comments. Have a great day managing your documents, and remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.